everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a short and sweet pronunciation lesson for you. So I'm gonna teach you all 3 different pronunciations that you can use when saying these words. Actually, there are more, but we're gonna focus on the top 3. By the way, I'm Atena. I'm a non-native speaker of English, and I'm here to help you speak English with clarity, confidence, and freedom. So the first pronunciation is environment. This pronunciation is more aligned with the spelling. So let's break it down. The first syllable is N, like E, and then an N, in. Then Y, a V sound, and the long I, as in my. That is also the primary stress. So this syllable is going to be longer, louder, and higher in pitch. N, Y, and then ren, and R, a sure, and then N, ren. In, Y, ren, and then ment. And M, a sure, which is a reduced vowel, NT, ment. You can also pronounce it with a hold T, ment. Environment, environment. Say it again with me. Environment, environment, environment. The second pronunciation, and this is where it gets tricky, is this. So actually the vowel shifts from after the R. This is what it seems like in the spelling, right? R-O-N. So you think that there is a vowel after the R. But in fact, what happens is that the vowel is actually pronounced before the R. Listen again. Environment, environment. I like to imagine as if there is a Y sound that connects the Y and the N. Environment, environment, environment. Now, you're probably confused because the spelling doesn't match the pronunciation, which is something that often happens in English. Think about it. Even in this word, it's not pronounced as iron, but iron. Exactly the same pattern. Listen. Iron, environ, and then you end it the same way, ment, environment, environment, environment. However, there is another way that makes it even easier to pronounce, and that is without the N. Listen, environment, environment, environment. Alright, now choose the pronunciation that is easiest for you. Environment. Become part of the environment around you. Environment. They creating a welcoming environment or environment in the mediated environment. And let's practice it in sentences. I'm gonna use the third pronunciation. I support organizations that preserve and protect the environment. Recycling is a simple and effective way to help the environment and reduce waste. To improve your English, you need to create the right environment for you to succeed. What other sentences with the word environment can you think of? Write them down in the comments. Alright, that's it. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good rest of your day. Bye!